Hello, wonderful boys and girls, and welcome to Learning with Avant-garde Books. I'm Sherry Hardy, and I hope that you are having a great day. We are going to now be learning about the long U sound. The long U sound, that's right. I would like for you to make sure that you're in a very comfortable place and that you're relaxed for this lesson. And let's learn about the long U sound. Boys and girls, the image that you see on your screen features the letter U. The letter U is a vowel, and because it is a vowel, it can make two sounds. It can make the short U sound, like in umbrella or cup, or it can make the long U sound, which is oo, like in cute, or fuel, or tulips, or even computer. So we're going to focus on just one sound today, and that is going to be the long U sound, like in the word computer. Let's keep going. This is the alphabet that we use to form words in the English language. This alphabet is also used for other languages like Spanish and French. Today, we're going to focus though on just one sound, one letter, and that letter is U. Remember, U is a vowel, and because it is a vowel, it can make two different sounds. It has a short sound like in up or cup, and also it has a long U sound, and that's what we're going to focus on, which is like ooh, like in flute or tulips or computer. Well, boys and girls, let's get ready to focus on the long U sound. What is the long U sound? The long U sound is oo, like in tulips or the word flute. Let's say these words after me. Tulips, flute. Those words have the long U sound. Ooh, ooh. Tulips, flute. Let's keep learning. Here are some more words with the long U sound. We have computer and we have music. Repeat these words after me. Computer, music. They both have the long U sound, which is oo, ooh. Computer and music. Now we have the words parachute and fuel. Parachute and fuel both have the long U sound. Let's say these words together. Parachute, fuel, ooh. Parachute and fuel. Boys and girls, I am so proud of you. You are amazing. You are doing a great job. Here are two more words with a long U sound. We have pupil and mule. Pupil and mule make the long U sound. Say the words after I do. Pupil, mule. You sound great. Let's keep going. Boys and girls, there are many words that end in the letters UE. The U-E together can make the long U sound, like ooh, like in blue and tissue. Ooh, blue, tissue. So when you see the U and the E together, it is very likely it will make the long U sound. Blue, tissue. Now you try the words. You did a wonderful job. Now our next slide. Here's another combination of letters that make the long U sound. You have cougar and you have soup. Both words have the O and the U together. The O and U together will make the long U sound. Let's say the words after me. Cougar and soup. Ooh, cougar and soup. Boys and girls, never forget that your learning potential is limitless. We have some more slides to go. Now, the words on your screen have U and I together. The U and I together also make the long U sound, the OO sound. Listen carefully. Fruit and suit. Fruit and suit. Both words make the long U sound. Now, I would like for you to try these words all by yourself. You can do it. You did a fantastic job. Bravo. There are a few more slides to go. All right, now we have the O-O combination. The O and O together most of the time will make the long U sound. Ooh, like in moon and zoo. Moon and zoo. Try those words after me. Moon, zoo. The O-O will make other sounds at times, but sometimes it will make the long U sound. You are amazing. Now, wonderful boys and girls, this is our last slide before we practice saying some words with the long U sound. Now we have the combination of E and W. E and W together can make the long U sound. Remember, the long U sound is ooh, like in jewel or stew. Notice that both words have EW in the words. The EW can make the long U sound. Let's say those words again. Jewel and stew. You are amazing. Now let's get some practice saying different words with the long U sound. All right, boys and girls, it's very important that you get some practice when you learn something new. The more you practice, the more you will learn what you're trying to learn. So let's look at these words on the screen. We have the first list of words have just the U in them, and they will make the long U sound. Repeat after me. Computer, emu, duty, flute, lute, museum, Neptune, and Utah. They all make the long U sound. Now, look at the U-E combination. They also make the long U sound. Blue, fuel, glue, hue, statue, sue, tissue, and virtue. You are doing a wonderful job. Let's keep going. Now we have the O-O combination. We have boost, broom, cool, food, lagoon, moon, and tooth. Remember, the long U sound is like oo. Now we have OU. Cougar, coo, group, soup, troop, and wound. EW can also make the long U sound. Blue, chew, drew, flew, grew, knew, and stew. And last but not least, we have some words with the letters U and I, both are vowels. Put together, they can make the long U sound. Let's say these words. Bruise, cruise, fruit, juice, pursuit, and suit. Boys and girls, again, I am so proud of you. And now we're going to do a little activity to check for your understanding. Let's keep learning. All right, boys and girls, which word has the long U sound? Is it ruin or is it rug? Ruin or rug? Think about that for a moment and choose the word. You're right. Ruin has the long U sound. Now we have Cupid or cup. Cupid or cup. Which of those words has the long U sound? Bravo! It is Cupid. You were right. Cup has the short U sound, but Cupid, ooh, has that long U sound. Now, out of these two words, which one has the long U sound? Is it fun or is it fuel? Is it fun or fuel? Which one? You are right. Fuel has the long U sound. You're doing a fabulous job. Let's keep going. These two words are puny and pumpkin. Puny and pumpkin. Which of the two words have the long U sound? You're right, it is puny. Puny has the long U sound, while pumpkin has a short U sound because the short U sound is and the long U sound is oo. Out of the words pupil and pup, which one has the long U sound? We have pupil and we have pup. Yes, you got it right. Pupil has the long U sound. We have a few more slides to go. I'm so proud of you and thank you for listening, watching, and learning with us. Okay, we're almost done with our lesson. We have two more words. They are statue and stump. Statue and stump. When I said those words, which one did you hear the long sound in? The long U sound. You were right. Statue has the long U sound. All right, boys and girls, I want you to think very carefully about this slide. We have two words. We have jewel and we have schedule. Jewel and schedule. Which of these words has the long U sound? It was interesting because both words have the long U sound. Jewel has the long U sound. And also schedule has the long U sound. If you got that right, boys and girls, that is fabulous. That's great. We have one more slide to go. Now, this is our last comprehension slide. You have two words. You have flew and you have flight. Flew and flight. Out of two words, do you recognize the long U sound out of these words? Which one has the long U sound? Is it flew or is it flight? Flew does have the long U sound. Boys and girls, I really appreciate you taking the time to learn new words. That's how you build your vocabulary, and then you can read better and write better. Well, this concludes our lesson. There's just one more slide to go, just to recap everything we've learned about the long U sound. Wow, boys and girls, that was a really great lesson with you. Remember, the U is a vowel. It's a letter in our alphabet. And because it is a vowel, it can make two different sounds. The short U sound is like an umbrella or cup. But the long U sound is oo, like in cute or tulips or computer. Can you recognize the long U sound? I bet you can. Well, again, boys and girls, thank you for watching, listening, and learning with Avant-garde Books. I hope you have an amazing day. Take care.